My name is B. Shokma. I am studying 7th class. My school name is KK Reddy High School.
My name is G. Mohan Kishore. I am studying 7th class. My school name is KK Reddy High School.
My name is Gautam. I am studying 7th class, Section Road. Today, my school name is KK Reddy High School. This project is automatic door opening system. Components required: Arduino board and servo motor and ultrasonic sensor and jumper wires.
This is start pen, this is unlock pen, this is restart button. Connections. Connections. VCC to VCC, GND to VCC to VCC, GND to GND, trigger pin to 2 pin, HO pin to 3 pin, servo motor, red wire to VCC, brown wire to GND, yellow wire to output pin. Arduino board is a microcontroller board which works as a bed. Code is written in Arduino when system is connected.
Project explanation. When any person or any object, car comes near the ultrasonic sensor, it detects, finds automatically the door opens. And it's entered, automatically the door closes. Ultrasonic sensor, car detects, automatically the door opens. After car entering, automatically the door closes.
Benefits: a person will go automatically door open.
Any thieves coming means automatically the door open. That is drawback.
This is our project.